Hello? Is this Spunky's Pizza Palace? Okay, great. Yes, I would like 2 large pepperoni pizzas, 1 medium cheese pizza, and 1 small veggie pizza. Yes, that will be all. $425? That is way overpriced.
Mackenzie, we can make 50 pizzas for that same price.
You're right. Hold on 1 second, please.
What do you have in mind? We could make pizza roll-ups. They're perfect for our party tonight because they're super shareable.
You're right. Let's get started. Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. Okay, let's start with the ingredients.
Hello? Anyone there?
This way. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly spritz a baking sheet with spray oil or brush a thin layer of your favorite cooking oil onto the baking sheet.
Stack about 4 tortillas at a time on a plate and cover with a damp paper towel. Microwave for 20 to 30 seconds or until they are steamy and pliable. Microwave the second batch when you're ready to roll more.
Slice each of the mozzarella sticks in half lengthwise. Place about 5 pepperoni or meat slices on each tortilla in the bottom third of the circle. Then place the halved mozzarella stick on top. Fold the sides of the tortilla in to cover the ends, then roll them up tight like a burrito. This is some other options of ways that we make it.
Place the tightly rolled pizza roll-ups on the baking sheet, seam side down. Leave them slightly apart from one another to allow hot air to surround the rolls. Either spritz the top with spray oil or brush a thin layer of oil on top of the roll-ups.
Hello? Hello?
Did you hear something?
Now,
We must be imagining things. Bake the pizza roll-ups for 12 to 15 minutes, or until they're lightly brown and the cheese is just beginning to ooze. Because every oven is different, begin checking on the pizza roll-ups at about 10 minutes, then check every 2 minutes or so until they are done.
serve immediately with pizza sauce for dipping.
Let's try it. Okay, let's try it.
Woo!
So we have meat and cheese, meat, vegetables and cheese, and vegetables and cheese. Which would you like?
Meat.
Oh, wait, also our sauce. Forgot that.
Yeah.
Here's a meat one. Here's a meat one for me. I'll take this one.
There's little drippy cheese.
Okay. You can dip it in your sauce here before you eat it for the pizza. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Wow, very good. Definitely try this at home, and it's super simple. So if you have a party that you need to prepare something for last minute, definitely try these out. They only take about 10 to 15 minutes to cook, and depending on how many you're making, only about 20 minutes to make. Please make sure to follow us on Instagram or Facebook.
Hello? Anyone there?
Okay, I definitely heard something this time.
Me too.
Wait a second. Were you still on hold? Oops, we already made a pizza. I thought we had canceled the order. Bye. Or Facebook,
Like our videos.
and subscribe to our channel.